Hi, it's John again from the CGCC library here with another tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be using the advanced search feature in Primo. We're going to search for a DVD. Since it's approaching Halloween as I'm making this, let's look for a horror DVD. So within Primo, to do the advanced search, click on the advanced search. This is where you will look for a DVD or an audio book or certain other items. Since we are looking for something specifically owned by the library, we will want to click Library Catalog. Since we're looking for a DVD, we'll want to click on Material Type. The default setting is all items, but if you look in here, there are several things that you can look for. And here, since we're looking for a DVD, we will click Video and Film. Now for the search filters, I have the option here for any field. You can actually type in horror. Now you could use this search feature to look for books by a specific author. In that case, you would want to click author or creator. Okay, you could also do that to look for a particular title, but you can also do that in the basic search. So we've typed in horror. We have our material type video and film. We have library catalog, so we look specifically for items owned by the CGCC library. We will now hit search. And we get back 37 results. And you can find a little bit more about these, you just click on the title. It tells you all that. It tells you that this title, in this case Nosferatu, is available. This is an old German vampire movie. It's a silent movie, and it's actually a very excellent one. And if you scroll down here, you can actually get a description of the item. That is how to search for items using the advanced search feature.